I got my genres in. Let's see what we're gonna do for today. Okay, we get punk rock and bro, no, oh god, opera. How is that gonna work? Now let's see what else we get. Okay, 12 tone and what? Oh, you'll start off with opera punk, guys. Punk music. I used to be a huge punk fan in my teen days. You know, like Day to Remember. Oh, Knuckle Puck. That was a good band. Neck Deep. Yeah, that's a good band too. Get my handy dandy guitar. I actually kind of like wearing the strap, you know? Makes it feel secure. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna go to, you know, drop D. Probably D major, you know? Yeah. Yeah, this is it. I'm just thinking this. Oh, take my hand from me. I can't think of you. This is gonna sound stupid. I want to make it faster, you know? You know what? Maybe I might go E. I might just start with the lead, so at least I'll know what to come up with. Alright, so let's go add some, like, you know, drums to this thing. The intro, then we need a verse, so maybe, I don't know. And maybe for this part we can do maybe something like that. Oh yeah. I'm getting off topic. Here we're gonna start with the chorus. Yeah, we could go with the 4-6-5 thing. I don't know, maybe I should add like a lead there too. Maybe at the part where I go do 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 do. Weird. Yeah, I got the track ready. It's time to add the vocals. I'm gonna use East West. Oh, opera. Let's see what we got. Oh, good. Yo, I should add like an epic choir here. Bro, that sounds so stupid. That sounds so stupid. Yeah, let's just hear what it sounds like. Alright, 12-tone serialism. I don't know what 12-tone sounds like. You know, let's hear a 12-tone song. What? Bro. I don't know if this makes any sense. It sounds like this to me. Is that how it works out? So, doing a little bit of research, basically from what I've understand, the concept of 12 tone is you treat every note as equal. So there are 12 tones in music, right? So basically the concept is, whatever note you start with, you cannot repeat that note again. So let's just say I start off with a D. So basically the next note can be any note besides a D. So it could be like, I don't know, F sharp, F, then, I don't know, this. And then you just repeat it back to the D. And that will be considered your original melody in that 12 tones serial thing. Like, this just makes So for 12 tone dubstep, I'm probably going to start off with something, I don't know, something ominous. Okay, I think we'll use this one. How about this? We'll make a chord, you know? Maybe? I guess something like that. I'll do kind of like a weird arpeggio thing, you know? So this will be like a C minor. And then we'll go to that B flat. And then, so yeah, so it's going to be, it goes from C sharp minor, first inversion B flat major, to a second inversion F sharp minor, then to a E major. So I wanted it to fit in like 2 bars, so I don't know, we might have to come up with some weird rhythm. That's gonna be our idea. There we go, we got a melody. Yeah, and we're gonna add a pad too. So there's 4 measures, so I can add 3 notes. Do 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 do. Bro, this sounds so weird. I don't listen to this type of music, so this sounds like what? This sounds so, it's bothering my ears. Alright, so the next part, I'm just gonna, you know, reverse all these. And I'll probably reverse this one too. Oh my, and I'll probably put like some, you know, some weird build up. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my beat. Then and yeah. So this is going to be your intro. Then this kind of is the I don't know what this is. Something. This is called the build up. Okay, so we get a drop. Does not sound good. Okay, just throw in some effects or something. Oh god. Oh god, this is I don't even know if I'm doing it right. So I like the idea of just maintaining the chords. Just keep it the same way. But I might change it to something like this. That's what I'm thinking. Change the rhythm a little bit. So then, you know, just your typical dubstep beat. And I'm just going to cheat. I'm just going to throw in some just dubstep growls. I don't know. Anything from Virtual Riot. Okay. And I'll make this go higher. G to G sharp, and then A. Okay. Yeah, we're getting something. And I gotta add a lead. So basically, you know, I got a lead. Yeah, and all I did is, you know, automate the pitch bend. The melody is basically just these chords and just doing this stuff. And that's about it. And it sounds like a beginner making dubstep for the first time. Okay, so doing some mixing in that, this is what I got. This is a weird, dumb challenge. I mean, if you want to see more of this, let me know. Leave a like on this video. Make sure you punch that subscribe button and hit the bell, all notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!